Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi Redmi 9i and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Start of opening settings calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event. But we can change view for a month to be easily to add, and tap on day maybe 28 and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can set when event starts and finish in which time, or we can set it will be all the event by switch on repeat of that if we need it, and we can make custom repeat. There we can add this event to people calendar, add location of that, notification, and you can add more than one notification and choose how we won't get only notification, or we can get email with notification, description to that. And after you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and that's all. We have our event in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, bye.